Here the topic is 2017 June CSIR NET physics question paper. In this question, the two vectors A0 and BC in column are orthogonal if what? So, according to condition of orthonormality, this is orthonormal. So, according to condition of orthonormality, we can write this bra of psi 1 and k top psi 1 is equal to 1. That means a square plus b square is equal to 1. Then we can write for psi 2, bra of psi 2 and k of psi 2 is equals to 1. This means b square plus c square is equal to 1. And the last one is the bra of psi 2 and k of psi 2, the bra of psi 1, not the psi 2. This is bra of psi 1 with k of psi 2 is equal to 0. So that means A into V plus B into C is equal to 0. So these conditions are satisfied for the value A equals to plus minus 1 and here B equals to 0 and for C equals to plus minus 1. So in this question, this condition are satisfied for this value of A is plus minus 1 and value of B is 0 and the value of C is plus minus 1. So the answer option C is correct for this question. So if you have any query, you can WhatsApp us in this number. This is 98367-93076. You can contact us in this number. So that's all for today.